Some vehicles are fast, some are luxurious, but a few become something more. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60 is one of those machines. Built in an era when vehicles were designed to last decades, the FJ60 combines legendary durability with a design that feels honest and timeless. Tall glass, straight lines, and a commanding driving position give it a presence modern SUVs simply can't replicate. But what makes the FJ60 truly special isn't just how it looks, it's how it feels. Mechanical, analog, purposeful. You hear the engine, you feel the road. Every mile becomes part of the experience. At Legacy Overland, that's exactly why we build them. Because beneath that classic shape lies incredible potential. With modern powertrains, improved drivability, and carefully integrated technology, the FJ60 becomes something it was always meant to be. A vintage 4x4 ready for today's world. More power, better reliability, modern comfort, without losing its soul. The result is a Land Cruiser that still feels authentic, but drives with confidence wherever the road leads. Not just a restoration, a rebirth of an icon, crafted by Legacy Overland.